In this video, we are going to be substituting in expressions. So let's look at the first question. Now, wherever we have A, we replace with 3. Wherever we have B, we replace with a minus 2. Wherever we have C, we replace with a minus 1. So let's go. This will be equal to square root of 3 square. Remember to always put your bracket, plus minus 2 square plus minus 1 square minus 2 times minus 1. So we draw our line, and this will be 3 square plus minus 2 square plus 4 times minus 1. So when we bring it down, we are going to get square root of 3 square is 9 plus minus 2 square is 4 plus minus 1 square is 1. Now minus 2 times minus 1 will give us a plus 2. All this divided by 3 square is 9 plus minus 2 square is 4 plus, now we have 4 times minus 1, and 4 times minus 1 is going to give us a minus 4. So this will give us 9 plus 4 is 13 plus 1 14 plus 2 16. So this will be square root of 16 all over 9 plus 4 is 13. Now because of this minus sign inside, this will change this one to a negative sign. So we have a 4 minus 4, which will give us a 0, and we are left with 9. So the answer to this question will be square root of 16 over 9, which is the same thing as square root of 16 divided by square root of 9, which will give us 4 over 3. Otherwise, you could write it as 1 whole number 1 over 3, and that is the answer. Now let's look at this second question. Now we have x as 3, we have w as minus 2, y as 0, and z as minus 1. Now where we have x, we write 3. Now we write the square root of x is still 3 plus w is minus 2 times z is minus half. Now using the rule of dot mass, we first of all multiply everything in the bracket. So these 2 will cancel out these 2, and we are left with minus times minus 1. So this will give us 3 times square root of 3 plus minus 1 times minus 1 is 1. So square root of 3 plus 1, and this will give us 3 times square root of 4, which is 3 times 2, and the answer is 6. Now let's look at this second equation. W is minus 2, so we put minus 2 square. This is multiplying everything in the square root. X is 3, so we write 3 square, plus y is 0, so we write 0 square. So this will give us minus 2 times minus 2 square is 4. Multiplying everything in the square root, 3 square is 9 plus 0 square is 0. So we have 4 times square root of 9, and this will give us 4 times 3. The answer is 12. It's really very simple.